Hey guys, so today I want to update my AntBot result. Now this is Binance Futures trading. As you can see here on my phone, my AntBot profit is still running, which is good, but there's a couple of bad news that I need to share. Now you can see, as for now, my capital is already 4,500, and I will tell you the reason why I added $2,000 here and why. Because one of the reason, because a lot of floating loss, guys. If you see my position here, it is almost close to my max position, which is 20%. I'm using 20x leverage mostly. If you can see my coin here, they are mostly DCA AI, and I'm using 20x leverage. And a lot of the short position are floating loss because of Bitcoin break the resistance level. You can see here, because I'm playing with shock, so I have two direction, one is long and one is short. Obviously, when this thing happens, your short position is going to suffer the most. Okay, it's going to have huge floating loss. This is one of the reasons why I told you to choose coin with low base order, guys. Okay, you can go back, watch my video showing you how to choose a low base order coins. And I also have the playlist here. Okay, I have these spreadsheets. Okay, this spreadsheet shows you what coins have big base order, like BTC, Solana, okay, Luna, Axie Infinity, AVAX, Near. The one that are color yellow, you need to be careful. And I think Rune also is a bit high here, so I will color it yellow. So ideally you want to avoid this kind of coins because it has big base order, guys. Okay, so if you have big base order coins, so when the bot cover, it will eat up a lot of your capital. That's why you can have huge floating loss. Okay, I will show you this martingale calculator. I will show you martingale calculator. So I'll put a link down below. You can use this. Let me set this to 0. This is 100. So trading size, okay, your base order is your trading size, is your margin. Okay, so let's say if you start with let's say this one, right? Example, let's use Solana. The base order is 102. If you are using 20x leverage, your actual margin is 100 divided by 20, which is 5, correct? So your starting size is going to be 5, okay, if you choose one base order. So look at this, guys. As the market go against you, okay, the bot will cover. The first time it cover, it will add $10. And the second time it cover, it will add another $20. Okay, and the third time it will add another $40, guys. The fourth time add another $80. The fifth time $160. You can see this keeps growing and growing. So if you add all this up, it's gonna be quite large. Okay, so try to avoid something that have big base order, guys. You know, if you compare this, let's say sometimes it even open 10. Okay, it open 2 contracts, so your base order is 10. You can see this, it's gonna be huge, right? If it keeps do averaging. So this is why your 200 or 300 capital is not enough for this high base order coin. Okay, I'm advising you to use $200, $300 per coin for coins that have low base order, like Ethereum, like these other coins, guys. So if you see, if we compare it with just one base order, okay, this is your initial margin. When it cover the bot, it will add $2, $4. So it's a bit smaller and a bit safer. So this is suitable for people who have low capital. Okay, like me, I have low capital. A few $1,000 is not much, guys. Okay, unless you are a whale, you have like $100,000, million of dollar, you know. But you can see here, this is much safer, right? It is much safer. If you add all this up, it's probably around $200, $300 up to order number 7, right? Okay, if you see here, look at the ZAG max order, 1 out of 7. So we are using mostly max order 7. As the market goes against you even further, you can keep adding this up. But personally, for the last 2 months, I never hit this 7 max order. Okay, the most I've hit only 6 out of 7. I haven't hit 7 out of 7 yet. You know, some users already hit 8, even 9, some even 10. Okay. You know, the cool thing about the bot, right? The bot knows that they have this rapid rising market. So the bot actually have exception. You will see exception here. You can see one of it. Look at my Luna exception. You can see that. So the bot actually look at the market. If the market suddenly pump or suddenly dumped, the bot should stop. Okay, the bot will not cover because it will just waste your funds. So with this in mind, guys, going forward, I think this should help you. Okay, going forward, me too, you know, I need to do my own diligence. Look at it. I have some huge base order coin like Luna, Solana. ADA is quite big. You know, you can check it again in the history. I already have a video teaching you how to read the history. You can see the amount here. 36 Solana, guys. 36. The bot open 36. You can check here. I mean 36 ADA. Okay, one ADA is $1. So 36. So 36 we multiply by 1.2. So, and we divide it by leverage. It's around $2. It open around $2. I mean Cardano is still okay, like $2, not that bad. Again, you can use this calculator. $2 you can see $2.2. Even at max order here, I'm only going to spend how much is this in total? Let's add all this up. 128, 256. So 256 plus 256 is around $500. You can see my Cardano on the short position. You can see, okay, it's already minus $200. You can see the max order is 6 out of 7. You can double check this, guys. You can go to Binance. I mean, you can see the Binance here, you know, everything's still good. But I will show you my floating loss right now is minus 1,800. And I'm just hoping the market will just dump and can take profit for the rest of the coins. So you can see my Cardano here. My margin is already 70. Okay, guys, 70. Just now, how much was it? It's $2, right? If we go back to here, you can see it right here. It's actually open at 36. And you can see the max amount. Look at the amount, 576. If we add the other one, the one at the one that 288, 144, 72, and 36. 576, we add 288, we add 144, we add 72 plus 36 plus 36, 1152. We multiply by Cardano and we divide it by 20 leverage. Look at it, 70 our margin. Okay, our margin here 70, you can see right there. This is why when you open a coin, guys, you need to go back here and check the margin. Okay, when you first open the coin, when it have 1 out of 7 or 1 out of you know, your first base order, you can come back here and check it. You know, if you have low capital, make sure it is below the margin, make sure it is below $2. Sometimes you cannot set it. You know, when you change here the base order, sometimes it says the minimum is this much. You know, you cannot change it to 1. So you gotta be careful with it, guys. Okay, you gotta be careful with it and just make sure your total contract here. So make sure your total contract here is not too much. Okay, again, remember to divide by your leverage. So at the end of the day, you know, I just need to wait for the market to goes down, which I think will happen around 50,000 BTC probably, or probably it's going to go down here. Again, we never know we cannot control the market. What we can control is our money, guys. It's our wallet management. So you need to understand your own situation and only put money you can afford to lose, okay? Unless you have a lot of money to back you up, you know, start low, okay? Start low, understand how it works, and then you can be more aggressive. You know, I think I'm too aggressive here. You can see I'm playing with a lot of coins, and some of the coins are huge base order. You can see my stop. Some of them I already stopped them. My AVAX, my DOT, I already stopped them. Luckily my AVAX I already stopped them, guys. You can see my AVAX. I think my AVAX makes me a lot of money, but again, this is so dangerous if you know, if you are using AVAX coin, because AVAX have huge base order. Let me show you. You can see I almost make $300 from AVAX alone. I mean, this is the game, guys, okay? This is the game. Look at the percentage here. Big reward. What comes with big reward comes with big risk as well, high risk as well, okay? You know, the bot definitely help you eliminate a lot of those risks, but doesn't mean that, you know, there's no risk at all. There's always still risk. The more you are knowledgeable, the more you understand the market, you know, the better you will become as trader. At the end of the day, again, I tell you to start small. Some of you are very crazy. You start with a lot of money. You start with big leverage. I mean, you're just looking for trouble, guys. If you still don't understand the game, if you start with too big of the money, this is your decisions, right? I cannot make decision for you. So you must be wary of the risk. Okay, the reason why I added another $2,000, you know, because I need to cover some of these coins that are floating. You know, I need to open new order. Okay, I need to make the floating even lower. And look at my rune, guys, minus 600 now, which is crazy, right? If you look at rune, look at rune, guys, goes through the roof, okay? Goes through the roof. And this is big whale just pushed the price up. And if you see, my entry price is $9, 9.6. So this is my entry price. I need the market to go down here, you know, to take profit, or I can top up more money and then cover it and have a higher entry price, maybe around here. So I mean, this could be very profitable, but at the end of the day, your wallet, okay, your funds, your capital is king, guys. Again, your capital is king. This soon will go down. I guarantee you. That is how market works, okay? It will go down somewhere, even if it have to go up here, somewhere it has to go down. And this is when we're gonna take the profit. So again, you can use the calculator. You can expect the worst, 7 out of 7 order, or if you want to add more, you know, this is the fund that you need to prepare. Again, the lower your base order, the lower you need to cover it, okay? All of these, add those up. So hopefully this video helped you guys, and I just want to share to you my thought process. And you can see a lot of these coin I already single run them. Okay, I already modify single run. And by the way, I want to teach you how you can single run them. First of all, you don't single run the opposite direction. Okay, you wait for this big floating loss to take profit, and then you single run the other direction. Okay, don't single run this first, because look at my rune. Okay, I should have wait. Okay, my long position, I shouldn't single run it. I should wait for my short position to take profit, to close in profit, then I single run my long position, because it will be a waste, right? Your long position could keep taking profit. But sometimes if you're using DCA, you cannot, you can look at it, the price exceeded and it's not longer opening position. There's nothing we can do. Hopefully this helped you guys. Okay, if you have any question, you can put down in the comment section below. Again, you can go back, to use this as a guide, and also you can use this tool to know how much capital you need for that coin. Again, know your base order, your initial margin here, and put it. So you need to prepare the funds here, okay, if you want to play futures safely.